will talk about how can you change your email on your Walmart app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on account down here. So when you click here on account, so just switching to open with you like this. When you click here on account, it's going to take you to this list here. Then you go down here, then you click here on personal info, click on it. So then you come to this list here, then all you have to do, just come here to email address. So you just switch it to open with you like this, come here to your email, click here on edit. So when you click here on edit here, it's going to show for you list like this. In here, add your email address, click on continue here, then it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.